You know, I've always been dreaming about this, that one day time will come and we will no longer rely on desktop apps in editing our videos, that we will have this web app wherein we have our full video editing suite. We can edit our long videos, we can do our screen recording, we can add transitions, color grading, effects, and all that. But up to right now, we still have to rely on desktop apps like Adobe Premiere Pro, Filmora, Camtasia, and the likes. Aside from that, we need to buy powerful desktop or laptop that can handle the capacity of editing HD and even 4K videos. And right now, a certain web app is attempting to do this. In that web app, you can edit your videos right on your browser, and I'm really hoping that this will work because, like I said, I've been dreaming of this, and so let's see if it will work. So let me now go here to my computer and review this web app called VidSnatcher, and let's see if it's a good video editing suite that we can use on our browser so that we don't have to use any desktop apps anymore. Alright, so I'm now here in the dashboard of VidSnatcher. So for me to start, as you can see, I can start with a certain resolution. So I can start from YouTube 1080p, 720p, or Facebook cover, or even Instagram story. So let's start with 1080p because that's the usual resolution that we use for our videos. So let me just choose this one. And I don't know if it's my internet connection or the app is a bit slow, so let's just wait for a while. Yep, it's actually taking some time, and I'm not sure if it's because this is still brand new or a lot of other users are using it together with me. And yep, this is just a problem sometimes with web apps, because if there will be a lot of users using the app together, it can get really slow. But let me still give it a chance, so let me just wait for a while. Alright, so we're finally here, and as you can see, it's like the usual desktop apps that we use, such as Camtasia or Filmora. And so as you can see here, I can import from a media URL. So that means if I have a video from YouTube, I can paste the URL here and add it here to my media library. But usually we edit videos that we shoot from our mobile phone or DSLR cameras. So let me rather try to import a video from my computer, and I can do that by clicking this button, import media. And so let me try to import this talking head video that I recorded before. Let me choose that and then press open. And as you can see, it's now importing the video, and I'm not sure how long will this be. And again, this is another problem with using a web app at this point in time. Unlike using a desktop app like Camtasia or Filmora, wherein once you import your video, it will just take some time, like a few seconds, to conform the video or something, and you're already ready to edit that. But for this one, I don't know, as you can see, it's taking some time, so I'm not sure how long will I wait for this to be imported before I can start editing. Let me just pause this video and see if I can wait for this. And for some reason, there was an error during my importing, so let me just try that again. And I don't know, let me try to find a shorter video instead. I think it's having a problem importing a longer video for now. So let me just try this short video here instead. Click open. And that's a short video, so as you can see, at least I can wait for that to be imported, and as you can see, it's importing a lot faster because it's just a short video. So what I can say right now is that for now, although I really like the idea that you can edit your video right on your browser, you cannot still do it with longer type of videos, like if you shot 10-minute or longer types of talking head video and you want to edit it here. As of right now, it still doesn't work well. So for now, I think it still works for shorter videos, like for this one right here. It imported really fast because it's just a short video. So once this is imported, I can now then add it here to my timeline. And again, it's taking a few seconds to do so. Okay, and there it is. So once it is there, we can now do some editing, like we can trim the beginning, for example, as well as the ending, like that. Or we can also split the video into two by, let's see, by using this one, the break tool. There we go. And yep, I can separate the video into two. And like any other timeline that we use, you can also zoom in and out your timeline by using this slider or this plus or minus button right here. And I'm actually looking for their transition, and for some reason I cannot find any for now, or I don't know if they have one or not. But anyway, let me just check, show you some other things that we can do here. We can also go here to icons, and yep, they also have some pre-made icons right here that we can use. So they are still loading, so let me just try to use these other things that are already loaded at the moment. Let me just click and drop it here, but still not showing. Come on, guys. Oh, there it is. So yep, I can also grab some of those elements, and I realized that for the other element that I grabbed earlier, it went in a lower layer, so it's not showing. So I have to put it right there so that, you know, I can do the resizing and place it wherever I want. And by the way, let's check if we can add another layer. Yep, we can. So let's see if I want to add this here so that we can stack multiple layers. Yep, you can do that as well. And then we can also add a text. There we go. And let's say this is our title or so. Then you can choose a font color and all that. So where did it go? I'm not sure why it's going to layer 0. So let me try to add another layer and put it on top, and there it is. So we can position it wherever we want, and we can make it bigger, something like that. And maybe we can choose a better font style, I don't know, something like that or so. We can change the color. There we go. And yep, you can also add these elements as well as shapes and arrows, which is also nice. Music, let's say we want to add a background music to this one. You can also just click that plus button, and it's good that it's loaded with background music that we can already use within the software as well. So let's just wait for that for a while. And again, you know, this is just a downside of using a web app in editing your video, because it can take some time to load things, because, well, it's a web app, right? So although of course this really depends on your internet connection, but in general, yep, you cannot really experience the speed that you have in using desktop software, for example. So yep, there we go. And let's see if how can we control the volume of this audio. Let me try to right click. Nope. Oh, there we go, maybe this one. So let me try that. I cannot hear anything for some reason. Oh, there we go. I'm pressing my space bar because I'm used to using my space bar to play and pause for my editing, but that's not the shortcut here, so I still need to keep on clicking this play button for me to do that. So what else can we add here? We can also go here, and yep, they also have this text-to-speech feature, which is so common with video apps coming out nowadays. Personally, I'm not a big fan of using this, but if in case you want to find it useful, yep, that's something that you can do here as well. Another addition that I added here is that you can also do screen recording, and you can even record your voice. And let me try to check the screen recording feature right now. So if I click this one, so let me just click here to allow my microphone, and there we go. I can record my screen or my webcam if I have one. And let's try to record our screen by pressing start recording. And yep, I can choose to start to record my entire screen, or just an application window or a Chrome tab. So let's try the entire screen for now. Click that, click share, and once the countdown is finished, I can now start recording. So there we go. Whatever I'm doing right now is being recorded. And once I'm done, let me just click this check button to complete the recording. And there it is. It's now loading it in my media panel. So let me just give it some time. Still converting. So I think it needs some time. So let me just check out some other things that we can do here. We can also remove green screen. So let me find a green screen footage for me to test that feature as well. And for some reason it says something went wrong for the conversion of the screen recording that I did. And let me actually try that again. I don't know why. Start recording, start screen share. Okay, let me just record a very short one. Dun, 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 dun. I'm recording my screen. There we go. And let's see. Okay, converting. So again, let me try to find green screen footage that I can add here to try the removing of the green screen feature. And again, for some reason, this is already the second time, so I'm not gonna try that again. For some reason, the screen recording is not working well. So yep, I don't know, it's not working properly at the moment. So let me now rather try to find a green screen video that I can try to clean right now. And let me actually go here to YouTube, and let's find a green screen footage. So let's try this one right here. Let me just copy the URL and go here to media and then paste that and then add not a valid URL. I'm not sure why it's saying that. Let's try it again. So it's saying that it's not a valid URL, but I exactly copied the URL here. So again, I'm not sure why that's happening. So let me try if I can find a green screen footage from my computer instead. So I ended up downloading this video instead. So let's try to import that here again. So let me click add media, and here's that footage. Click open, and let's let it load. There we go. Okay, so it's loaded. So let me add it here to my timeline as well, and there it is. So let me click remove green screen, and let me pick a color. Let's try here, and then so how can we we need to choose an image or a video as a background. So let's try this, for example. Click open. Okay, so let me now try to play around, and I'm not sure, but these are the only controls that I see here, and I don't see any change happening so far. Again, I don't know, but the green screen feature is not working at all. So let me just close this for now. So the screen recording and the green screen removal is not working. So I don't know. I really like the idea, and I'm really hoping that this will work, but so far I see a lot of glitches and a lot of problems with the app so far. Not to mention the uploading speed is so slow. So to be honest, I'm not gonna use this one for now. I'm really hoping that they will fix it. Again, I like the idea, but as of right now, this is something that I still cannot recommend. So unfortunately, it's not working well. So like I said, this is not something that I recommend at the moment. And I really like the idea, and I'm really hoping that this will work. But as of right now, we still need to use our desktop applications like Camtasia or Filmora to do our full editing and record our screen and do all the editing that we need for our videos. And some of you already know that I have this program called Filmorista, wherein I'm teaching how to use Filmora 10 to edit your videos and do all the things that it's not working on this app so far, wherein you can edit, trim your talking head videos or other live action videos, add some transitions or color grading, effects and all that. And I'll just add a button below that you can click for you to enroll in case you're not yet a member of that, so that you can rather use that app. And also, if you still don't have Filmora 10 right now, I'll just add a link below that you can use to purchase that app. And it's a powerful app, by the way, that you can use, and it's a lot cheaper than Camtasia. And you can use it already to edit your live action videos, do simple animations, screen recording and all that. And again, the button or the link will be below this video, so that you can purchase this app and you can learn from my course on how to use this app to make professional looking videos. So you saw me demonstrating this web app, and I'm not really trying to ruin their app just for me to sell my course or to recommend Filmora. Again, I'm really hoping that this will work so that we don't have to use any desktop app whatsoever anymore. But as you have seen, unfortunately it doesn't work, and that's the reason why I'm recommending Filmora 10 instead and my course Filmorista. So yep, thanks a lot for watching. My name is Jam and I'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.